everyone. Today I will teach you how to do this. But make sure you sign to your Microsoft account. Now, go to your Scratch. This is my account. I don't have any message. So now, here's my profile. Here, follow me and enjoy the projects. Okay, now it's not spare. I don't like it. Okay, I will do that later. So, okay, now we're gonna do something. First, go to. Now I will teach you how to do this. First, create it. If you like some tutorials, go to tutorials. Go to tutorials. Start video.
You can use Scratch to animate a character and bring it to life. Make it say something, move around, or do whatever else you can imagine.
You see that?
To get started, let's pick a background. I'll choose the Arctic. Next, let's pick a sprite. I'll choose the penguin.
See your tutorial.
Let's make our character say something. I'll have my character say hello. Now let's animate it talking. We can do this by switching the sprite's costumes. Click the costume tab to see.
You don't like a video, so you can't do this. And the break drop, sprite, say something, a sound, animate talking, use keys, jump, change color, and more. Today I will teach you two codes, different codes. Is this and this and this. So what is this word? Space key? You know. This you can print even not the green flag, but the space key only occurs like this. I will teach you. Add a when we click for revenue, go to if. You can choose one, or you can add or. B. You can choose one of them. But I prefer or. Now, you see, I will change it to if else. Make sure you see a thing like this. You have to download the Scratch add-ons. Okay, to pin the next player. I will open it later. So okay, I will do this later. First, now I have if else. So this only occurs if it press or it do something, it will do that. Or else it will not do that. So let's see. Now turn 15 degrees or else turn okay. Now let's see. But if the space key press, look at this. Now you know? That's different. Aha! Next, the moving scripts. I will still say this. Change it, duplicate. Now, right arrow and the left arrow. QF and be here. I have to scratch add-on so I do fast. Right arrow and left arrow. Would you prefer it first? Okay, now let's see. Move 10 steps and this move negative 10 steps. Even if we don't get the green flag, we can still do it. Like that. Now, what do you know? What's this? Because when it doesn't say green flag, so when this right arrow key press, then press anytime. Yeah, I remove it because we're done with it. And watch how it happens in this. Now remove 10 steps. Negative 10 steps. That is movie. Okay, just a bug. No. Oh, you can also add bug. As is a bug. If you don't prefer the bug, and change it away. Really cool because it's very smooth. You can change it to up and down. Down arrow and change Y by negative. Remember the negative of the minus. The first. Now you will see I can move anywhere. Or next thing, if you want to go to the mouse pointer, point upwards, this is the one you can point upwards, so one on your direction. Or two, go to random position, and go to random. But if you're careful, go to mouse pointer, and then you should do the job. Oh, look at that. Okay, so okay. But you can make also your real control keys. And make a custom block named controls left, left, and right. Run without screen refresh. Forever if it doesn't move. Oh, we forgot to remove. Go to mouse pointer. So if, then you can change custom by your type. Okay, now do this job. Okay? We don't need variables. We only leave if the space key press, but I prefer the F key. Okay, I prefer the space one. Why? Well, I want the triggers with trigger. And the first one, you have to trigger the first one. Whatever we do later. Now, now let's see. Controls level. Just set 0, 0. Oh boy. Or this is a bug, and now go to 0. Now go to 0. Now to add a 0, 0 out here. Left arrow or the right arrow. If you don't want to mess up, so squash lines. Now I can see I can move. Now the up, okay, we need to change it. Up and down. You need to see everything. I don't care. Okay, now do this. If controls, not the left and right, so careful. Up and down. Now we have to refresh. Do the same.